In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a blog with Webflow. Whether you're a newbie or have some experience under your belt, this guide will walk you through creating a beautiful blog step by step using Webflow's powerful design tools. So, let's get started. To begin, you'll need to have your Webflow project open. If you're new to Webflow, you'll want to familiarize yourself with its user interface, but don't worry, it's intuitive, and as we proceed, I'll make sure it's easy to follow along. Once your project is open, head to the Add Elements section located in the left panel. This is where you can find all the building blocks you'll need to create your blog. Now let's focus on adding a heading to your page. This is where you'll put the title of your blog. Select the heading element and drag it onto your workspace. You can type in your title directly here, setting the tone for your content. Next, it's time to make sure your blog title stands out. Head over to the Style panel on the right. This is where you can customize your blog's aesthetic. Set the font that suits your style, adjust the weight, tweak the size, and play around with the colors. You want your title to be clear and engaging. Ensure the alignment fits well with your overall design vision. With your headline sorted, go back to the Add Elements road for the next step, adding the main content of your blog. Here you'll want to select a text block and place it on your page. Once you have that done, you can either type your content directly into the text block or paste it in from another document. Ensure that your text is coherent and easy to read. Again, you'll use the Style tab on the right to give your text that polished look. Maybe you want to highlight certain phrases or change the spacing. Whatever it is, the Style panel is your toolkit for making your words look professional and inviting. No blog is complete without compelling images. Go back to Add Elements once more and bring in an image element. Place it where it best complements your text. After placing it, click on the image element and then on the gear icon that appears. This will usher you into the settings options. To finish things off, hit Replace Image and you can seamlessly upload or drag and drop your preferred image file onto the page. Just like that, your visual story is part of the blog. And there you have it, a blog created with Webflow, ready for your audience to enjoy. Be sure to save your changes and preview how your new blog looks in full form, making any necessary adjustments. Remember, the beauty of Webflow is its flexibility, so feel free to experiment with different styles and layouts. Happy blogging!